All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful BMW 430i. It is obviously the hardtop convertible. It is all-wheel drive, so it's called the X-Drive. Super nice. Only, I think 6,000 miles or 2,000 miles. Super nice car. Beautiful white color, black leather interior, heated seats, navigation system, all the good stuff on this bad boy. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks fantastic. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice NLC curbing. Your tire tread is 630 seconds. Let me double check this. Just a line of just hairline over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing back here. Check out your tire tread, which is 630 seconds. Let me double check it. Actually, right over 730 seconds. It's a nice shot of your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. That goes in your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. You got power windows, power door locks, you power mirrors. Does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Push start system. All right, turn on the lights. Pow, fog lights. Pow. Got all your instrument clusters. All your media entertainment stuff right there. You get your radio. You get your Navi system. Boom, right there. You got your backup camera. Pow. All right. What else we got? Radio stuff, presets, all that good stuff right there. Boom. Boom. Know what I mean? Let's go back. Pow. 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 All right. There you go. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your heated seats right there. It's dual. You got your steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and there's your module. 2,929 miles. Super nice. All right, nice. Completes the tour. You got your little roundabout thing so you can navigate through your crap up here. All right, you got your sports models and all this stuff. Super nice. Keeping it moving. Rear bumper looks pretty amazing. Your lift gate here looks pretty nice. That's what your trunk space looks like. Boom, boom. Of course, very small, very tight right now. But in a second, I'm gonna get my guy to open it up. Got a little thing here. It's pretty cool. It adjusts the height of this thing here. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's our rear driver's rim, rear passenger rim. Sorry, I don't see any curbing back here. Let's check out your tire tread. Get your tire thread. If I can make it in that groove. There it is. That is just a hairline over 730 seconds. Alright. Well, it looks pretty good. Here's your passenger door. Very nice. Your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Oh man, there's gonna open up the rear so you guys can see it. Boom, looks fantabulous. Looks awesome. Boom. Now, open up this trunk. Show you guys what it looks like. Without that, there you go. Push this tray up and out of the way, and there you got your trunk space. I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. Apparently they belong in here. Apparently, I'm not sure. I'm not sure how it goes in there, but I put it in here. You got a little mesh lining here and some other stuff over there. Matter of fact, I'll just put this over here too. All right. Drop that tray down so that this thing can open back up. Let's see it moving again. Boom. I love the way it moves. Looks pretty freaking awesome. Freaking fantabulous. Freaking fantabulous. Let me show you your rear passenger seat. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender here looks great. Your front driver's hubcap. I'm sorry, front passenger steel wheel. Front passenger rim. Here we got like about 8/32. I don't see the curbing on this wheel. Look at this wheel. I thought I saw a little curbing. Yeah, very minimum back here, like an inch. That's about it, guys. Let's see. Lights all working. Things are happening. Folks, once again, a 2018 BMW 430i hardtop convertible with 2,000 miles. Beautiful, beautiful vehicle. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding. Look at the way the lights look. That's dope. That is dope. Oh, I've never seen that. That's awesome, guys.